everyone, this is Maria Russell bringing you a product close-up video from the 2020 Warm and Cozy holiday release by Trinity Stamps. This is the cutest Cozy Christmas stamp set, and you can also purchase the coordinating dies. This is a 4x8 stamp set that features 19 different stamps that you can also mix and match with the cottage, kitchen, and cozy bear stamp sets to create countless scenes on your cards. This stamp set will also go really well with our slimline room builder die set that was released last month for the perfect combination for your holiday cards. I went ahead and stamped the images out so that you will be able to see what they look like. Here's the little fireplace with the presents and candy cane, and I stamped this separately as well so that you can see. And there's a candle there, the wood for your fireplace, a little garland, wreath, holiday stocking, a sleeping dog, a snowman, more presents, and this is like a little Santa hat that this little bear can wear, a star for your Christmas tree. So that's what it looks like. And off camera, here's the card that I created using the stamp set. I colored the images with my Spectrum Noir alcohol markers and added some texture to the tree with Crystal Nouveau drops. And I also added the texture on the background with the lots of dots stencil, and the floorboards were created by drawing it with my Copic multi-liner. The sleeping dog was added there with the Merry Christmas is actually stamped using the A Sentiment for Almost Everything stamp set, and I really love how this card turned out. As you can see, it's very colorful and it's a really nice Christmas card, and the possibilities are endless using this stamp set. I really love how this one turned out. We can't wait for you to get these stamps, so please share your projects with us through the Trinity Stamps Facebook Inspiration Group and tag us on Instagram using the hashtag Trinity Stamps LLC. Be sure to click that notification bell to be notified of new content so you can watch more videos from the design team to give you more inspiration from the new release. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!